Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can change account on Monopoly Go. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Play Store and search for Monopoly Go. Click on that and you need to update the application. As you can see, my app is up to date. Then you simply need to click on play. So it takes few seconds to load this application. Okay, so once you are here, you simply need to click on three bars on the top right. Okay, and click on the name. Click on continue. So here you can see that this is my profile. So you simply need to click on this pencil icon and you can change your name and it will change me. Click on submit. Okay, here you can see that, and then you need to click on save, and here you can see that your profile name will be changed. So this is the process. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.